Regenerative medicine is the future of healthcare. It will complement the functions of lost, damaged, or failing tissues and organs by restoring and regenerating cells and tissues outside the patient's body. It will realize treatments that until now were impossible. But we must remember that all treatments come with risks. To undergo treatment through regenerative medicine, there are three options. Publicly insured treatments. Approved by the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare, these treatments are covered by health insurance. This is the healthcare we normally receive. Clinical researches. Patients take part in research to verify the safety and efficacy of treatments. Treatments become eligible for public insurance coverage once they are approved, but this may take a long time. Private clinical practices. Patients undergo treatments that have not or not yet been approved by the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare upon concluding agreements with medical institutions. For example of benefit, these may include treatments that have been approved overseas but not in Japan. However, one thing you must be aware of in particular is that the high cost of a treatment does not necessarily mean greater safety or efficacy. Doctors and patients will need to discuss and agree to the details and costs of private clinical practices, but sometimes the expected results are not attained, or treatments have been known to deteriorate conditions. To avoid such situations, it is important to grasp a good understanding of your treatment and whether safety and efficacy can be ensured. Make sure the doctor gives you a thorough explanation with documents clarifying the specific details, including risks and costs of private clinical practices. For example, make sure that the authorities have been notified of the treatment as a due process and that it will be executed accordingly. And check the expected results and dangers associated with it. You should check with your doctor if there is anything you don't understand. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, offers the following tip-offs to protect consumers from problems associated with health foods. You should refer to this list when checking information on healthcare too, to see if any of these descriptions fit. The Japanese Society for Regenerative Medicine has opened a portal site for sharing information on regenerative medicine and offering consultation services for patients. You can use this site to gather information. Choosing the right treatment is a major decision in life. You must exercise the utmost care.